much last night. They had too much to drink, but everything is fine. 60 seconds, you're off limited. Blame the exhibitors. Not as far.
All right.
One more, one second. Thank you.
I boxed at Haley Joe, so
Oh, you do? Okay. You just started over there?
Yeah. Boxer.
How old are you?
16.
16? How much you weigh?
160.
160? You
He's gonna be a heavyweight, man.
Yeah.
See, I love other boxers. They come over here, champs, box champs. Oh, let's see if you do this.
That's why he knew who you were.
Floyd Cash. What's happening with you, champ?
I've been chilling, just went to the fights yesterday, the weigh-ins, you know, it was good. Now I'm here at the Boxing Fan Expo.
What you got coming up?
May 21st, I got my Junior Olympic Regional Championship, so, you know, I already won state, I'll fight regionals.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, get it.
All right, man. Look for more big things, champ.
Yep.
All right, thank you.
I need you to hurry up now, 'cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now, 'cause I can't wait much longer. And I've been waiting all night now, that's how long I've been on ya.
Is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my name down, flip it and reverse it. It's your favorite if it's bad yet. It's your favorite if it's bad yet. If you got a big gun, let me search it. To find out how I gotta work it. It's your favorite.
Next up.
School him, man. It's simple, man. Look, it's simple. Anybody can do it. Get her right here. She can do it. She can even do it. Oh, watch it. Look out. Look out.
Let's say what's up to his dad.
Yeah. Hey, Pops, I got the champ right here. I got Sean Porter. His dad, Kenny Porter.
What's
They
up,
always
man?
showing love to you,
We
man.
here, just want to send some positive energy your way, let you know we here and we pulling for you. Yeah, man. We thinking about you. We love you. We love the relationship with you and your sons. And we know you call Showtime Baby Tyson. So whenever you see him next time on TV, you say, oh, there go Baby Tyson. Here he is right now saying what's up to you. God bless you. We'll see you soon. All right.
Thanks, man.
You know, you're his father from the ground up. I mean, how do you make sure that you don't get around him so deep that you got guys kind of always have the right chemistry, respect for each other, don't get burned out by everything?
You know what? Contrary to what people might think, and if you ask him, he's gonna tell you the same thing. He's gonna say there is no separation. He's gonna say we go to church together. He's gonna say we go to the movies together. He's gonna say we jump out of planes together. He bought me tickets to Dave Chappelle last night. We sit next to each other. That's who we are. And so the boxing is just an extra part of our life. The father and son is the number one part of our life. The boxing is just some extra. It's just a small part, But, it's an amazing thing to be able to guide your son from, learning how to walk to, start sparring at 4 years old to starting to win nationals and national tournaments and Pan Am teams and Olympic teams and travel all over the world and did a world championship. I'm blessed. I'm thankful.
Keith